let's show you some pictures of the fish we caught. So this one, not all of them turn into butterflies.
Esto, el 97%, ¿cuál es? There you go.
Whoa! Alright, we've got some extra time before we head back to the big city today and tomorrow. So we decided to do a little bit more fishing. Last time,
I caught 2.
he caught 2, we caught none. So we're coming back with some extra tasty bait to try and catch lunch. So we're still fishing, and we've all managed to catch at least 1 each for sure. So we've got a little bit of lunch, 3 fish big enough to fry, so that's a good start. We're now just really feeding the fish because we're not good enough at this fishing thing to get them out in time. See how the kids are doing.
How you doing, Hassan?
I'm doing good.
How many fish have you caught so far?
I think 3 or 4.
But you released them, huh?
Yeah, only 1 big enough.
Yeah.
More?
What about you, Nora?
Look, I'm having lots of fun.
How many fish have you caught?
I've caught 2 fish.
Oh, nice. You kept all of them? Oh, nice. You're gonna have them for lunch.
Alright, so we're pretty much done for the day. A lot of fun. Let's show you some pictures of the fish we caught. Alright, last afternoon, we're going to be heading off tomorrow, so this afternoon we're going to be going on a mini trek with our boss Ricky, and then we're going to have some canoe time, go through some swamps, go through some swamps and then head to a butterfly park.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, come on.
I'm really hot.
Alright, we made it to our stop after some fun canoeing in the swamp. Let's go find this butterfly park.
I think it's more of a fun.
Alright, we made it to the butterfly park. Let's see what's inside. this
Yes,
one,
mas
not
então-
all of them turn into butterflies.
Esto, el 97% ¿cuál es?
El 97% mariposa tiburones no son tóxicas.
So this is when they shed the cocoon.
Acá tenemos de otra especie, acá secamos como una hoja verde.
Yeah, like I see over there.
So this is the owl face, huh?
Yeah.
I can't see.
So very gently, yeah, very gently. Bring it
Put it
out.
on a leaf.
Put the
Bye bye. Mommy.
pour it away.
You said bye bye, no.
Wow, look at it. Beautiful. Okay, let's release her mom into the wild again.
There you go.
Wow.
Good morning. Oh, attacked by mosquitoes. Just about what's been happening the last 4 days. So last morning in the jungle before we head back to the city, we're just gonna take a nice brisk walk. We just left the lodge over there. Walking to the back, discovered a very fun plant I thought we'll share with you. So this is the mimosa. So what happens, you touch it and it just closes up. Whoa!
From there, from this one, you in the salad.
Ah, we just ran into some baby millipedes. No, you can't take one home. No. Let's go, don't step on them.
I'm
Come
not
on.
going to take one home.
You want a pet millipede?
No.
Okay, so we got to a little rest stop. Hussein, what are we doing?
Ricky's going to help us make a fan from scratch from the leaves and trees around us.
All right, Ricky.
Yes, we're gonna use this one
Okay. So why this one?
because it's the best one. Actually, there are many, but this is the good one.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut this one and gonna use this one.
It is.
It's not gonna be. We're gonna do this one. Pretty easy. Just one above. Like this. Everyone the same.
So in and out.
We just whip it like a whipping.
Yours looking nice. Ooh, that's looking like a fan. That looks cool. So mine ended up looking like this. I'm not sure what that is. It's a heart, I think. Let's give it a test. Hasuni, gonna test my fan. Out of 10, broken.
4.
And mine's just a normal one.
Let's have a look at yours. It works.
Little bit.
Okay. I think we're done with fans. Let's continue in the jungle. All right, another swing challenge in the jungle. Right, jungle kid number 1, please step up. Let's
Ready,
go. Uh-oh.
Ready, go.
Wait, I need to put
All right, have a good run and swing. Run and swing.
Bit higher. Yeah.
Can you push me?
I don't think that will hold a big push.
Not a big push.
Okay, one more try.
No, No, it's dragging on the floor, that's why.
Yeah.
Jungle Kid number 2. Almost. Get a bit higher.
I love the other one because it does not go on the sand.
Almost.
Your water, your bottle.
No, step over there or stay here?
Skip, we can help you with the other stick. There. Just keep, I guess, keep going the small one.
No, stay
Down
on the
there.
small one.
Yeah.
It looks like a leaf.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I just.
Looks exactly like a leaf.
So this is the root of the tree.
Very big.
Alright, cross carefully.
That's a very big root.
Come on, Noor.
It's holding
Careful crossing.
Oh, that's a big one.
Ah, and this marks the end of the last trek on the last day in the Amazon. And we're back to the lodge. Okay, last day in Iquitos. So let's say goodbye to Iquitos. That's it, we're heading to the airport now and we will see you in Cusco.